They said stay in your own backyard, don't come play with us. We don't like you, little girl, you don't look like us. You don't sound right, you don't dress cool. Go away, little girl, we don't like you. So every day after school I would cry, tears dripping, and I knew just why. No one could help me, no one could comfort the ache in my soul, until I found Jesus and gave him my heart and soul. They still said you don't look right, you don't sound right, your clothes don't match, we don't like your face, get out of our space. So I played in my own backyard, up and down the slide I would go, on the swing set flying high, kneeling on the grass below. Just Jesus and me, so I was never alone. And it didn't matter what they said anymore, 'cause it was Jesus and me in my own backyard. Just Jesus and me in my own backyard. Just Jesus and me in my own backyard. Just Jesus and me. Just Jesus and me. Just Jesus and me in my own backyard. Their voices faded away as he held me in his arms. And as I grew up and more voices came saying you don't belong and you can't play our game, I decided deep in my soul I didn't want to play their game anyway. For with Jesus I made whole. Now I play in my own backyard, Jesus and me and my true friends and family. I learned how to be who he designed, and all that rejection I left behind. The only thing I take from that is that I shook off their musts and shoulds, and instead I focused on what Jesus said I could do and be like him, you see. My own backyard was my window to the world. I learned what was important, what really mattered most. It wasn't what they said, but the blood that Jesus shed. He set me free in my backyard when I prayed, and now I stand here unafraid. Jesus and me in my own